I'm fine, sir.
Anil, take the question.
Sir, please decode GR there is.
Okay. So guys, he is Anil Kumar Goswami and he is asking that how can we build the sentence without subject? Yes guys, believe me, it's possible. We can build the sentence without subject. We are, there, each. Is that clear? Guys, according to present time, according to present tense, according to similar noun, if we want to build the sentence without subject, then there is possible we are, there is. I tell you, we are some examples. For example, a boy. Is that clear? A boy means singular noun. There is a boy. A girl. There is a girl. A teacher. There is a teacher. A man. There is a man. Woman. There is a woman. Copy. There is a copy. Pen. There is a pen. So guys, if you want to build the sentence without subject, we are, there is, it's possible. You can build. Is that clear? It's very easy. So guys, if you like this GR, then you can follow us 8 our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky video, then you can visit 8 our official website, whose official URL link is www.nvea.in. And guys, you can contact us 8 our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
Thank you.
Yes.